Hello my friends, today is a special day, and why it's special you will see in a few seconds I guess, and the answer is right here in this box. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. So it is a special day, but it is a smaller special day because the box is not that big as other boxes that you have already seen in front of my camera. And today it has something to do with batteries. So this is the reason why there is this sign on the package. And it comes from a very nice company, a German company. It's called Merbold Electronics, and I will put the link in the description below. And they sell batteries for almost all RCs, and the cool thing is that these batteries are very small, always have a big capacity, and they're customized for most of the RCs so that they fit perfectly into your truck or loader or crawler or whatever. And they also do other things, and in here is not a battery, there's something special in there. So I think without further ado, let's open this box. And see what's inside. So I hope that you can see it, that you have a good view. Some paper and a plastic case. So it's a plastic case. So right at the moment I think nobody is there who has any idea what's in there. Could be everything. So let's open it. I think it goes this way. Yes. And is it better this way or that way? I don't know. I don't know. I think this way. So what's in here? What's in this box? It is... Any idea? Already any idea? Maybe this could give you a hint. Any idea what this is? Any idea? Comes like this. There are two of them. Let's put also the other one out of the box. And what else do we have here? Some parts, some electronics, cables, some wheels, 2 wheels, and I hope you can see it, 3 LEDs. So these are traffic lights for a construction yard. And the cool thing is, the very cool thing is that, let me check. So these are the lights, 2 of them. And in here, I guess there are the batteries. Yes, so two batteries. They come into this, however you call it. And the cool thing is that this is just theoretically now I can show you, but you will see later when I have built this kit. So these are the traffic lights, and they will be set on your construction yard, and they will, let's say, talk to each other So when this is red, this is green, and the other way around. And there is no cable needed, just the batteries. They talk to each other, so they tell each other what they have to do. And you can adjust two things. You can adjust how long is the road that is just a single road where the truck can pass. You can just program it very easily. And you can say, tell these little computers how many cars or trucks should pass by. So this is really cool, and I'm excited to see how they work. And so far, give me a few seconds. Okay, not a few seconds, but for you just a few seconds. And I will come back with these installed on my desk, and then we can see how they work. So, back again with the build. And first of all, I must say that the build was really easy. So the instructions are really cool. I don't know, I didn't show it right now to you, so I need to. Really cool and very easy to follow, because the description is really cool, and as you can see, they are using a lot of pictures, and this really makes it very simple, very easy to follow and to understand what are the steps to build these traffic lights. That was it already. So, and the parts, even more important, the parts do really good fit to each other. This is really well done, and as you can see, doesn't this look pretty good? Isn't this nice? Everything has been painted already, so it comes already painted to you. And yeah, maybe let's have a look inside. This is really a small computer in there. And the cool thing is the battery is underneath. It's a battery you can charge for sure. And they, as I mentioned already, they really talk to each other. And you have two things. First of all, let's just turn them on. So quite easy. Oh no. This is the cable. This is the cable you need to charge them. And the cool thing is that you can charge them simultaneously? Simultaneously? Is this the right word? I'm not sure. Maybe you can help me put the right word in the description below, in the comment section below. So you have these two cables. They are connected for sure. You put them into your charger, and then you put them right in here. And then you can charge the batteries simultaneously. So quite good, I think. And I guess that they will last for many hours. I don't know how long they will last. I will tell you later when they are in use, but I guess so, because big battery and only LEDs, this is very simple. So you have this. I fear you can't see it. There is an on-off switch, so let's turn it on like this. So now it's on, see, it's lightning. And now it's just flashing and telling us that it is just turned on, has just turned on. And now this will change. And now I guess you already see what happens. Yes. Is this cool? Is this cool? There's no cable. You can put them on a really far distance on your construction site. And doesn't this look awesome? I hope that this is now sharp and focused and it's not my face. If it's my face, I'm sorry. And before you ask, you could get the impression that this red face or this green face is very short, but you can for sure adjust it. You have these two screws you can adjust, and the first screw, therefore you need the screwdriver. The first screw, you can just adjust how long is the road that is secured by these traffic lights. How long is it? So let's say it's this long, and it takes, a truck needs 10 seconds to pass by. Then you turn it like this. 10 seconds is the length of the construction path, and then the truck can pass the construction. But this is the first thing you have to do. Just how long is it? It takes 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 15 seconds, however you just have to adjust it. And the other screw is you can adjust how many cars should pass the construction. This is really cool. So first you adjust the length of the construction, and in the second, as a second step, you just say how many cars. So let's see. I turn it into this direction. First of all, let's check how long does the... So now I just adjusted it, and what you see now, this is, you saw at the beginning, this was a very short green phase. So it was the assumption that the construction pass is really short. And now we have the difference. I just turned the screws to the left. And now you see that the green light is quite well, much longer than 8 seconds. Didn't count yet. You can if you like. And even you see that it is not already turning into the green, a yellow and green phase now, just taking some time because there are cars now passing by. And this is the reason. The reason for it is because it's a long construction path. Now it's green. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and so on seconds. So it's a long construction. And now it's getting into the red phase, and it's not already jumping. So this means you can just imagine that now the trucks are passing by, although it's red already because no new truck is allowed to get into the path. And that's why the red phase is no longer. I adjusted it, and now it's getting green. Is this cool? So if you are interested in something like this, you will find the link in the description below. I really like them, and it's a cool scale. They come with this nice box, charging cable, and I think they look pretty awesome. By the way, you can get them in different colors, and you can paint them by yourself if you like. And I guess that when you're playing with your cars, your trucks at your construction site, this might be something you really need. So, without further ado, this is it. I hope you liked the short video, and yeah, have a good time. And if you have questions, put them in the comments below. If you didn't subscribe until now, please subscribe my channel, and if you liked it, yeah, please give me a thumb up. So watch yourself, have a good time, see you soon, bye bye.